Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to be cooking again. Today we are making stuffed Rotel pasta, and I'm just keep watching. Here you'll see me dicing a jalapeno up, guys. I made sure to take the seeds out because I didn't want it to be too spicy. Okay, now we're cooking our meat under medium heat, and you want to make sure to grind it up really good so you don't have any chunky pieces, okay? Okay, now y'all see all that oil? You gotta make sure to drain it because we do not need that at all. Okay, let me tell y'all something. If you're not a fan of cream cheese or cream of chicken and mushroom, you can always substitute cream of chicken or cream of mushroom for each other. Now, later on in this video, you will see I had to do a lot of stirring because that cream cheese just wasn't trying to blend for your girl. But either way, you can do either one. Either one is fine. I like doing all of them, but you can do it however you want to. If you don't mind seeing the chunky pieces in your sauce, then you should be fine. But do y'all see this cheese mix and this meat together? Oh, I could have just ate the whole pan right then and there. Now that you've added your cheese and all of that good stuff, you just need to put it in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Let broil, and you can serve it up and eat it. Oh, but let it sit for at least 15 minutes. You don't want to burn your mouth. Love you guys, and I thank you so much for watching.